Hello guys, my name is Jarkis. As I promised to you that we will come to take a series of that how to learn English speaking. In that series, today our the day 4, and today our topic is that climate change. It is a very curious session and topic, that the climate change. It has a very difficult portions, that it is very problems to all of us, that the climate change, and it is the possible from the greenhouse gas emissions. The major role play in this, the carbon emissions become the CO2, as well as we are saying that the CO2 is produces the more amount of, so that it will reach at the atmosphere, and it react with the ozone, so that the ozone layer declarations is the held with it is. And as you know that the ultraviolet rays that is comes to earth from the suns, ओजोन जे उनको रोकती है एक तरह से. And when the carbon emissions is the major part of to the ओजोन लेयर को हानि पहुंचाने में. And you know that the climate change is the major impact to become to the climate change. There are many problems to face of us. Become the sea level is increasing day by day, and the one gas that is the has to in the refrigerator, that's name is the chlorofluoro. It is the play the major role in the depletion of the carbon and the ozone layers. Become the CFCl, that is react with the ozones more than one particles, around 100 to 1000 particles, and release chlorine atoms, and another times it will be a chain reactions, and finally we found the chlorine at a single permanu, that is the duplications of the ozone layer, because it is a greenhouse gases. There are many gases including the greenhouse gases. Example chlorine हो गया, and the CO2, and methanes वगैरह, और भी कुछ gases हैं. And we are seeing that the glaciers are melt, so that the water level is increasing. And one day if we will not control of it, then it is the major problem that the water level of that is not drinking purpose is increasing, as well as we cannot control of that. एंड मतलब पूरी पृथ्वी जो है जलमग्न भी हो सकती है अगर अपने इसको कंट्रोल नहीं कर. सो दैट द मैनी एक्ट्स एज वेल एज पॉसिबल इज द अप्लाई फॉर द लेस ऑफ द कार्बन एमिशंस. एंड द गवर्नमेंट आर होल वर्ल्ड आर मतलब बहुत स्टेप्स ऐसे उठा रहे हैं, जैसे कार्बन एमिशन को कम किया जाए, एंड ओजोन लेयर डिप्लीकेशन को कम किया जाए, कैसे भी क्लाइमेट चेंज बचे. So that I will request to all of you that as well as possibles, you will be also the provide your mindset, that what will be the outcomes to the decreasing of the carbon emissions. And there are many steps to this. And one of the major part that the fossil fuels, when we burn it, examples petrol, diesels, kerosene, when we burn it emissions more amount of carbons that will be reach at the atmospheres. And at a धीरे धीरे करके, मतलब एक बहुत बड़ा जो है एक गुब्बारे टाइप में कह सकते हैं जिसको, ये कार्बन का बहुत परत की परत जमा हो जाना, दैट विल बी ए मेजर प्रॉब्लम to this, that will be harmful for our environmental. And so that I will request to you that we of all of us work together, so control the carbon emissions as well as. हालांकि ये है कि मतलब कि अपन कुछ नहीं कर सकते, पर फिर अगर अपन किसी को इंस्पायर करें तो ये बहुत बड़ी कहानी बन सकती है, इसमें ऐसी बात नहीं है. ताकि कहते हैं ना कि बूंद का घड़ा भरता है। अगर हम 2 लोगों को बताएंगे, 2 लोग किस 4 लोगों को बताएंगे, 4 लोग किस 6 लोगों को बताएंगे, तो इट विल बी मेजर रोल प्ले इन दिस। सो दैट एंड आज के लिए इतना ही। अब आई मीट यू विल टुमारो इन द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक्स। एंड जय हिंद, जय भारत, थैंक यू।